Okay, so from the Unity, I'm gonna show how the AI agent works, because in this game, I just concentrated on AI thing because I want to learn artificial intelligence and how, like, path finding using nav mesh agents and patrol state and chase state and all these things. So coming to this scene, this is my main scene, and okay, this is my main scene. So for this, I'll just select this thing for now. Okay, these are my AI agents in the map. So when I hit play, so all the AI agents will start with 3 seconds of idle state, and then later they will be moving around with the patrol state. So like this. So if the player is visible to them, then they will be in a chase state. So if the player is suddenly escapes from the AI agent, then this the AI agent will be in search state. That means it will search around all the waypoints without stopping, like without going into an idle state, because in the starting, when it is in a patrol state, it will go into the idle state first. Like when it reaches the waypoint, then it will go into an idle state each and every time. But when it is in an chase state, it will go into the patrol points, but there is no waiting time for that. So these are like, so I have added 4 states. So I'm going to show you with one enemy, because this is an ambush agent added, and these are the waypoints added to the enemy, and these are the states: idle state, patrol state, chase state, and search state. These are the 4 states I have added. And okay, so when it comes to the coding part, so I have few scripts. So for that, this is the first person and the touch controls script. These touch controls also I have taken some tutorials from the YouTube. And this is an abstract class. So basically, the states are scriptable objects. So according to this abstract class, we will be defining the states: idle state, and patrol state. And this is the infinite state machine, where this program will decide which state we want to go. Now, on which state should start with. So this is enemy controller. This is just an sample. Okay, and this is a patrol state, where whenever it will go into enable, and it's going to patrol state. So in patrol state, it takes the waypoints, and randomly it chooses one waypoint, and it travels to the destination. So we call the function set destination. In this destination, we'll give the waypoint, random waypoint. So when it is in a patrol state, and whenever Namesh agent finds the player, then this is a stealth dot check player. So I'm gonna show stealth program also for that. So whenever it finds, then it will go to search state, or else it will go into the ideal state. So this is the chase state program, where main thing is here, if it checks that player is found or not, or else there is no need to chase. So if player is not found, then it will normally go into the sorry, if it checks whether find him. So I just define find him as true, and it goes to a search state, because it goes to the last position where player position was seen. So around that, the AI agent will be searching the area. So it will go into search state. So search state is like, it will be so fast, so I increase the speed over here for that. See, this is 2f, so I increase the speed for that. And there is no idle state for the idle state for that until there is a time given for 10 seconds. So for till 10 seconds it will not go into an idle state. It will be in the search state. So this is a stealth program. So in this stealth program I have just drawn gizmos to a certain angle, so that an AI agent can see. So after that, in that angle I am just checking the object, if whether the object is found or not. Object is just a player. So it will just draw a raycast, and it will target, it will check the position of the player, and if the position of the player is in between that angle, and that angle is greater than or equal to the max angle, that means the angle what an agent can see, then I just given as check player is true. So according to this, the chase state and search state will be worked. So this is a coding part for now. So finally, the game is regarding, player needs to escape from these agents, and he needs to be in the final stage, that is end. So it will, if he reaches the end collider, then the screen will show as winner, or else game over. If you found out by the agents, then it will be a game over. So this game basically I created only for the AI thing. So how I want to learn an AI, I want to start and basics of the AI. So I just I use this course is very useful for that, for me now. So I have learnt a lot from this coursework. So every enemy has their radius, and yeah, every enemy has their radius and angle, so that in this specific angle, if the player arrives and there is no objects between us, like, see, the player can be see, like, can be tagged from here, the agent can observe it from here, but there should not be any other objects between the agent and the player. Then only it will be, agent can follow us, or else it will be false. So agent can't follow us. So that checks have been added into this stealth thing. So that's it for my project.